Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have s plus t equals to 10 and st equals to 50, and we solve this problem for the values of s and t. But here you remember one thing is that s is not equals to t. Okay, so we find the values or distinct values of s and t. So first we call this is our equation number 1, and we call this is our equation number 2. And now here we need to focus on equation number 1, so that from equation number 1 we have here we move this s to the right hand side, or we move this t to the right hand side. It will be written as s equals to 10 minus t, and we call this is our equation number 3, and we put this value of s in equation number 2, so that from equation number 2 we have, or this implies that so this is st, the value of s is 10 minus t times of this is t equals to 50. And now here in the next step we need more simplifications, and we will multiply this t on both of these terms. It will be written as 10t minus t square, and it is equals to 50. So here we move these two terms to the right hand side. This is minus t square. When we move in the right hand side, it will becomes plus t square. This is plus 10t becomes minus 10t, and this is plus 50 equals to 0. And now you see here this equation will becomes quadratic in t variable, so that here we will easily find the roots of this equation by applying the quadratic formula. So first we write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to minus 10, and c equals to 50. And quadratic formula is stated as t equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. This is our quadratic formula, and now we substitute the values of a, b and c here. The value of b is minus 10, so this is minus times of minus becomes plus 10, and plus minus square root of b square. B is minus 10, and minus 10 square equals to 100, minus this is 4 times of a is 1, and c is 50, and it is divided by 2 times of a. So here our a equals to 1. And now here we need more simplifications, and we write it as 10 plus minus square root of this is 100 minus 4 times of 50 becomes 200, and it is divided by 2 times of 1 is 2. So here we need to subtract these two values, and it will be written as 10 plus minus square root of this will becomes minus 100, and it is divided by 2. So here we need to break this square root, and we write this square root on negative term and this 100, and it will be written as t equals to 10 plus minus this is square root of 100 into square root of minus 1 divided by 2. And we know that a square root of 100 equals to 10, and square root of minus 1 equals to iota, and it is divided by 2. So here we will break this fraction, and it will be written as 10 divided by 2 plus minus 10 divided by 2 times of iota. So you see that this is 2 5s are 10 and 2 5s are 10. So we get the two values of t are 5 plus minus 5 iota. And now in the next step we will break this value of t, and first we can write the positive value of t. It is 5 plus 5 iota, and here we put the negative value of t, and it is 5 minus 5 iota. So here we substitute these two values of t in equation number 3, and we get the corresponding values of s, so that here first we need equation number 3. So from equation number 3 we copy down equation number 3 here. It is s equals to 10 minus t, and now we put both of above values of t here, and it will be written as s equals to 10 minus t. First we put the value of t here. It is 5 plus 5 iota, and here we put this value of t. It will be written as s equals to 10 minus 5 minus 5 iota. Here we put this value of t. And now in the next step Here we need more simplifications so that first we will focus on this equation, and here we multiply this minus sign on both of these values. It will be written as minus 5 iota. So here we get the value of s equals to 10 minus 5 is 5 minus 5 iota. This is the value of s corresponding to the value of t is this one. So here we now we need to focus on this equation, and here we multiply this minus sign in both of these terms. It will be written as 10 minus 5 plus 5 iota. So we get the value of s equals to 5 plus 5 iota. So this is the second value of s corresponding to the value of t is this one. So now here finally we have the solution set of the given equation are the values of s t equals to first we have the value of s is 5 minus 5 iota, and the value of t is 5 plus 5 iota. And similarly in the second case we have the value of s is 5 plus 5 iota, and the value of t is 5 minus 5 iota. Okay, so this is the solution set of the given equation. And now here in the next step we need to verify this solution. Is this solution set is satisfied the given question statement? Now here we can write the given equations. Here it is s plus t equals to 10 and st equals to 50. Here I can just verify this solution, and I can left the verification of the second solution for up to you. You can verify the second solution by yourself. So here for first solution we will put the value, this is the value of s and this is the value of t. We put these two values of s and t on both of these equations, and it will be written as, first we have the value of s, it is 5 minus 5 iota, and plus the value of t is 5 plus 5 iota, and it is equals to 10. And now here first we can simplify this case, after that we move towards to the second case. So this is the plus and minus term are cancelled by each other, and we get 5 plus 5 is 10 equals to 10. This shows that the values of s and t satisfy the first equation. Now similarly we will verify the second equation, and here we have the value of s is 5 minus 5 iota multiplied by 5 plus 5 iota, and it is equals to 50. And here we can apply the algebraic formula. So according to this formula we will write it as 5 square minus 5 iota square equals to 50. So here you have 5 square equals to 25, and this 5 square equals to 25, and iota square equals to iota square, and this is equals to 50. So this iota square equals to minus 1, so minus times of minus becomes plus, and this is 25 plus 25 equals to 50, and finally we have 50 equals to 50. This also shows that the values of s and t also satisfy the second equation. So this is the final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.